Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, I am so excited, but we're going to be unboxing my Boxycharm Base box and my Boxycharm Premium box. Both were actually sent to me in PR. I'm so excited to see what we have in here. So you guys want to see what we got, what my thoughts are, well then definitely keep on watching. If you guys are curious as to what I'm wearing on my eyes, please check the description down below. But I just got done reviewing the Nakia Joy Cosmetics Loose Pigments. That's literally all I'll say, but I'll have the video linked down below along with what I'm wearing on my face today. But this is just super easy. This took less than 5 minutes to do. Just want to throw that out there. But I do want to start off by saying thank you so much to Boxycharm, as always, for gifting this to me in PR. Like, it means so much to me. And I guess now I'm being sent premium on top of everything. Like, at first it was here and there, and now it's starting to like happen monthly. And I'm just... thank you. That is so cool. Thank you guys so much. In last month's PR unboxing, I was supposed to do a Luxe, Premium, and Basic, and I got 2 Luxes and 1 Basic. I never got a Premium. I got it on my own, like paid for one, but never got a Premium. But today, I actually have a Premium, but that did make me laugh. So I'm going to go ahead and just dive straight on in here. As always, you guys already know that the base box does retail for $25. You do get 5 full-size items in here with a retail value of $125 plus. And then you do have the premium box, which is $35 a month, where you get 6 to 8 full-size items in here with a retail value over $200 plus. You do get customizations when it comes to your premium, and it is, like I said, $35 a month if you wish to have it by itself. But you do have to be a Boxycharm Base box member first, and then you can get approved for this. And once you get approved, you can just go ahead and have this by itself, or you can do what I do and you could just combine the two together. So it does retail for $60 a month for both boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and just dive straight on into the base box. For some reason, I have been really enjoying my base box a lot more than my premium and my luxe. I don't know why, but I just feel like base box right now, it's like where it's at. So first things first, we have Fantasy. We have Fantasy. Oh, you know, if it's going to be like a C, shouldn't it be like blue? Huh, interesting. Okay, so the first thing I see is from Dermalect Cosmetic Noodles. Oh, Jesus. Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. What? I didn't get an eye product? Oh my god, this is a good start. Okay, it says Dermalect Outcrease successfully targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. I am so confused. What is thick skin? What is thick skin? The something anhydrosis formula features 3 tremendously effective forms of retinol actives in a concentrated micro-encapsulated delivery system. Retails for $39. Whoa, that's a lot of long words for this, but I just, oh, it says right here on the back that it targets the signs of aging, fine lines, wrinkles, enlarged pores, and uneven skin tones. So I'm going to be really excited to give this a go because I have very, very large pores, if you guys can't already tell. Don't count this guy because that's just Bob saying hello to the world. He's just trying to come over and say hi. But yeah, this would be so cool to give it a go, see if it really helps out my large pores. Retinol is really good for the skin, so that's really cool. Okay, so next we do have a son of a bitch. Son of a bitch.
Go ahead, that's it.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
We have a Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. Okay, so this retails for $49.99. And I am going to go ahead and put this into my No Waste Wednesday. I get this question a lot because I have new subscribers. So welcome new subscribers. But in every single subscription box, every single one, I get nothing but eye products. And nothing else. Like, I barely get any other skincare products except for eye products. Ever since I turned the age of 30, every single subscription box is like, bitch. You're getting old. You have those crow's feet. Take care of it. Here are all the anti-eye wrinkles. And I'm like, I'm just going to get Botox. Because clearly they think I need it. But Jesus Christ, I don't need any more eye products. I have way too many already. I constantly give these away. And I think the subscription box goddesses are listening. And they're like, oh, this bitch keeps giving this shit away. We're going to keep giving her more. Oh, God. No worries Wednesday that goes. Okay, so next there is this makeup blending sponge set. This is the collection of 4 super soft latex-free 3D makeup blending sponges for $20. That's cool. Appreciate it. You can never go wrong with more sponges. It's actually a really affordable price for sponges as well. But I think they try to make like a little cute design on the packaging. But okay, cool. All right, next we have, ooh, this is from Pharmacy. This is the Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser. Yay, I got something different than an eye product. Okay, so it says an oil-free foaming cleanser that draws out dirt, oil, and impurities caused by pollution. This soap-free, pH-balanced formula is infused with purifying moringa, papaya, and green clay to help clean pores and surface residue, while sodium PCA helps replenish skin hydration. Retails for $28. So I'm definitely going to give this a go. The first Pharmacy product that I ever tried was like that balm cleanser product. I absolutely hated it. It made my skin so oily, so greasy. I'm not the biggest fan of cleansing balms where it just removes the makeup. And I know that you're supposed to double cleanse. And trust me, I've tried that. But I just get so greasy and oily. I hate how my skin feels. So I'm not the biggest fan of those. But I am excited to try out a new cleanser. That's really cool. All right, last but not least, we do have a $1 Billion Brow micro pencil. I have got to say $1 Billion Brow has fantastic products. I really do enjoy their brow products, so this would be really exciting. This is in the shade Taupe, and yeah, this retails for $16. Now, looking at this box definitely was not my favorite. I am excited for 2 products in here just to try them out because they are geared towards oily skin and large pores, so that is definitely geared towards me. However, it's pretty much a box of skincare, and I like to have an equal balance. I like to have an equal balance, half makeup, half skincare, or like a 3-to-2 ratio where it's mostly makeup and not as much skincare. Because realistically, like ideally when it comes to skincare, it does take a minimum of 21 days of trying out a product to see how well it works for your skin, how it affects your skin, what the benefits and cons of it are. And when you consistently get new skincare every single month, you're like, wait, slow down, because you're not going to go through everything within 21 days. So I appreciate it, but I do wish there was just a little bit more makeup in this box. I could definitely say that this was not my favorite. And this is the first time I said that about a base box in a while. So let me go ahead and add up the value of this box. My box valued at $152.99. So again, thank you so much, Boxycharm, for gifting these to me in PR. Even though like I'm not going to use every item, I still appreciate it. So thank you. All right, next we do have the Boxypremium. I hope there's some makeup, please. Oh, she's pretty. She's so pretty. Oh my God. Okay. All right. Oh shit. Oh my God. Bitch. Oh, okay. So the first item that's in here, the ABH Norvina collection. This is the volume 3, and I know this because I actually currently own this myself because this is a very, very, very beautiful orange toned palette. Let me actually grab mine for you. All right, so here's mine, and here is this one. I'm gonna go ahead and put this aside because this is gonna go into my No Waste Wednesday because I don't wanna open it up. I'm just gonna show you guys this mine. All right, so here we have the volume 3 palette, and this retails for $60, and I just want you guys to look at how beautiful these shades are. Like, truly, these are some very beautiful shades. I was able to create a really fun fall look with this palette. It's very, very easy to work with. The colors blend out absolutely beautiful, and this was actually the first this is actually the first Norvina palette that I bought for myself. I didn't buy volume 1 and volume 2 just because I thought they were a little overpriced in my personal opinion, but I bought volumes 3 because how much I love the colors, and I thought the formula was so amazing that I was like, shit. I should have bought the first 2 because they're so pretty. They're so pretty. But that is so exciting. That's going to go straight into my No Waste Wednesday for somebody. So that is really, really exciting. Okay, so next we have a set of false lashes. This is in the style Snassy. Snassy? That is such a weird name. Okay, so this, it retails for $12. Snassy is a set of fanned out, fluttery, full strip synthetic lashes with subtle intensity. And I love lashes, obviously. I'm actually wearing my Glam Light Michaela lashes today in the style called Orange. But here we have the lashes, definitely my style. I do love when it has a little bit of flared out. The band looks pretty thin, so it looks like it's gonna be very, very comfortable. And I've never tried ABH lashes before, so that's gonna be a first for me. That is actually really exciting. Well, this box is so cool. Okay, so next we do have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder. It says perfect brightening and makeup set. Perfect brightening and set makeup in place with loose setting powder by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This lightweight, superfine powder formula goes as smoothly as it absorbs oil, minimizes shine, and leaves you with a flawless matte finish. So this retails for $38. You already had me at absorbs oil because Lord knows I need it. And holy this thing is massive. Oh my God. I have never ever tried this ABH powder before. This is going to be so freaking exciting. This thing is freaking huge. What the heck? Oh my God. Ew. I feel like I just laughed like freaking Voldemort. I feel like my laugh just sounded like him. Like the scene just popped in my head. Oh my God. I do apologize. Well, no, I don't because I love Harry Potter still. But that is so cool. This is amazing. This just reminds me of the time when they did the collab with Fenty Beauty and I got like a whole Fenty Beauty box. That was so cool. Okay, so next there is the ABH Brow Definer. So this is a brow definer by ABH. Brow Definer by Anastasia Beverly Hills is an all-in-one triangular tipped retractable pencil to define, detail, and fill in your eyebrows. Retails for $23. I got the shade Taupe. I really hope that's my shade. I mean, I would think. I've never tried brow products. Actually, I don't really try ABH that often, only because they're kind of expensive. Ooh. This kind of reminds me of the Brow Styler from Benefit. Now I have to dig in there just a little bit, but I feel like that could definitely be a perfect match. So that is really cool. I always want to try Anastasia brow products, but the only one I ever did try was the freaking Brow Freeze. Oh God, that was horrible. Oh dear God. Okay, so next we do have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. So this retails for $25. It says get maximum lash volume and fullness you can't stop bragging about with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. The jet black, easy to apply formula instantly creates dramatic full volume defined lashes while specifically designing hourglass shape wand separately coats each lash without ever weighing them down. Oh no. Is this a thin wand or is it like one of those chunk wands? I feel like this could do. I feel like I can use this. I just really like to have thin wands. I'm like obsessed with having thin wands. Anything that's like really big and chunky, it gets all over my lid. It's just not a good time for me, my eye, the mascara. It's just not a good time for us all over. So I just prefer to have a thinner wand, but that's really cool. Okay, cool. I'll give that a go. So last but not least, we do have a liquid lip. It says the liquid lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a full pigment liquid formula that dries down to a weightless matte finish for smudge-proof wearability in long-lasting colors. Retails for $20. Now this is in the shade Molt. And that looks like it's a brown shade. I will pull it out of the box, but I'm not going to swatch it because I am not going to keep this. Only because, oh yeah, no, see, that's definitely not my color. The reason I'm not going to swatch this is I'm actually not a fan of ABH's liquid lip formula. I think it's too drying and it makes me feel like I have a Sahara butthole on my lips. My lips get like dry, cracked, and crusty all over, and I can't stand it. I usually have to apply like a double coat of gloss on top just to get rid of that dry, cracky, I've never seen water in my life looking lips. So I'm not a fan of it, unfortunately. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that into No Waste Wednesday. But let me go ahead and add up the value of the box. I'm excited. All right, so the box values at $178, and there's also a buy one get one 50% off coupon. If you guys use the code ABHXBOXY, you guys do get buy one and get one 50% off at checkout for ABH. And I have to say, this box is freaking awesome. I loved getting all the makeup first off. Secondly, I love the collab with ABH. That is so freaking cool. It's like they knew. It's like they knew that they gave me like a box of all skincare. It's like, you know what? Let's give her a box of all makeup, and it's gonna equal each other out. So that is freaking cool. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to add this into a No Waste Wednesday so somebody gets a chance to use this and enjoy it, because it is a wonderful palette. And like I said, this was definitely a really cool box, and I'm excited. So Boxycharm, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. I cannot wait till you guys start getting your boxes, because I do know that I think there's a variety of different palettes in there. I don't think it's just the orange. I think there's like different varieties in there as well. So that is really exciting. And as always, no matter what I get in my premium box, if I get any duplicates, you guys already know where that's going to go. Say it with me. No Waste Wednesday. That's right. You guys already knew. So look at me. I'm just like hyping myself up like you guys are cheering back with me. I know you are. I know you are, but anyway, I just thank you so much, Boxycharm. This is really cool. I thoroughly enjoyed this box. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think down below, what you guys think of these boxes and what you guys are excited to get in your own. And yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4, mostly 5 times a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's All for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. A huge, huge thank you to all these beautiful Patreon members that you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe. Either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you. I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye. Hey guys. Hey guys. And this is going to be $20, and it's full of it says this liquid lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills is full of pigment liquid. So, all right, next we do have the the specifically designed both for no. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. Video. So no. Like, it's just not a good time for all of us over rounds. All over. I've always wanted to try some of Benefit's products. The only ones. Who's your friend that wants to eat this girl? This girl. Okay.